welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the chemical properties of group number 2, especially the group number 2 carbonates, that how they are going to act. So carbonates can easily react with acids, and you have done this in general properties of acids as well, that they form salt, they form water, and they form carbon dioxide. So a simple ionization, you need to remember that how many ions are formed. So when we talk about the carbonates, we have like a metal positive 2 and a carbonate with CO3 negative 2. Simple. And if we talk about acid, for example HCl, we have a positive part and we have a negative part. The positive part is attracted toward this negative carbonate, and this negative chloride is going to be attracted towards the positive, or the positive metal is going to be attracted towards the negative chloride. So a carbonic acid is going to be formed with H2CO3, which is a reversible reaction. So they are going to convert into water and carbon dioxide. So just keep in mind the basic chemistry behind the carbonic acid. It's a weak acid. It is big, but it's reversible as well. So water and carbon dioxide is formed. So all group 2 carbonates are insoluble. Simple, carbonates are insoluble. You have seen carbonates in the form of marbles at your home, or you might have seen the decoration items made up of marble. So marble is calcium carbonate. So all carbonates are insoluble except this beryllium one. So all group 2 carbonates will form soluble chlorides. Definitely all chlorides are soluble. While if we talk about the sulfates are insoluble except the first two. So, how do you detect a reaction is occurring? Simple. When carbon dioxide is formed, you can feel the effervescence. So, once the effervescence has stopped, the reaction has stopped. Simple. So, when reacted with sulfuric acid, the carbonate of calcium, strontium, barium form insoluble sulfate layer. We have discussed this almost in every video of reaction of group number 2, that an insoluble layer is formed on the outside, which actually stop the reaction from happening. And in one of the video we have discussed that you need to constantly stir it so that a reaction can occur. So okay, let's discuss the reaction with dilute sulfuric acid first, that how it is going to react. So let's write the general equation. We have metal hydroxide and we have sulfuric acid, metal sulfate, or sorry, we have metal carbonate. I'm really sorry, we have to write metal carbonate. Let me just erase it. It's metal carbonate. So it's MCO₃ plus sulfuric acid, it gives MSO₄ plus water plus carbon dioxide, and it is already balanced. Now let's replace the metal with any one of them. For example, we write magnesium carbonate. Oh, sorry, I forget to mention the state symbols over here. The carbonate we have discussed, these are insoluble except the beryllium one. So I'm writing S over here. This acid would be aqueous, dilute one. Sulfates are insoluble except the magnesium one. So it depends on the solubility. Water is liquid and carbon dioxide is gas. Simple. So magnesium carbonate reacts with sulfuric acid and form magnesium sulfate, which is soluble one. So we are going to write here aqueous with water, with L, and with carbon dioxide as G. Simple. Let's write here strontium. So strontium carbonate would be like SrCO3. Sorry, there is no bracket. Plus, oh sorry, it's a solid. So we have H₂SO₄. It would be aqueous. It gives strontium sulfate, which is solid. It forms a protect, or you can say a solid layer outside. Difficult to react, and this reaction is quite short-lived, you can say. So this is the overall reaction with sulfuric acid. Let's discuss chloride. So chloride is going to form this soluble, the chlorides or soluble salts. Let's write the general equation. Metal carbonate, that would be solid, reacts with acid HCl, and it is going to form the soluble salts. For example, MCl₂ sorry, I forget to mention here, it's aqueous, along with water and along with carbon dioxide. So it would be liquid, it would be gas. So let's balance it. It would be 2 over here, and I guess it's balanced. So now replace this M with any of the metal. Sorry. I forget that I have to write here aqueous, not solid. Okay, so let's write magnesium over here. Magnesium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, which is aqueous. It gives the magnesium chloride, which is soluble salt, along with water and carbon dioxide, which is gas. Okay, so we can write here for barium as well that BaCO₃, it is a solid over here, and we have hydrochloric acid, which is aqueous, and it gives barium chloride along with water and along with carbon dioxide, and right there state symbols. Clear? So this is all for this video. If you have any question, you can write, you can just tell me in the comments. If you want to make want me to make a separate video for some topic, you can tell me that. And if you want to join my classes, you need to text me over this. So see you next time in the another video. Stay tuned.